In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and approve a design in Canva. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it, and what to look out for when you're reviewing a design before you approve it. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and you have the design you want to review open on your screen. This could be anything you've created or something a team member has shared with you, like a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer. Take a moment to quickly scan the design so you have a general idea of what you're going to be approving. Now, to access the approval options, look towards the area where Canva usually groups extra actions and tools. You'll see an option called More. Go ahead and click on More. This is where Canva hides additional features that don't fit in the main toolbar, including things related to collaboration and workflow. After you click More, a list or menu of additional tools and options will appear. From here, look for the option labeled Approval or Approvals, depending on how it appears in your interface. This is the feature that lets you handle reviewing and approving designs within a structured workflow. Click on the Approval option. Once you're in the approval area, you'll typically see controls that relate to the review process. This might include seeing who requested approval, any notes they left, and sometimes a status indicator showing whether the design is pending, approved, or needs changes. Before you approve anything, it's a good idea to carefully review the design itself. Check the text for spelling and grammar, make sure logos and branding elements are correct and consistent, and confirm that colors and images match your brand or project requirements. If the design is for print, pay attention to margins and important details near the edges. If it's for digital use, think about readability on smaller screens. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the design, you can proceed within the approval section to mark it as approved. This action will confirm that the design is finalized and ready for use, and it will usually notify the person who created or shared it that they can move forward. If something isn't quite right, instead of approving, you can leave comments or request changes directly on the design before coming back to this approval area again later. And that's it. By clicking on More, then selecting the approval option, you can efficiently review and approve designs in Canva as part of a smooth, organized workflow.